Ditch the pre-built PCs, let's build a beast from scratch. First up, gather your parts. Motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, power supply case, and a graphics card if you're into gaming. Lay everything out and keep your workspace static-free. Start by snapping the CPU into the motherboard, match the arrow, don't force it. Next, click in your RAM sticks. Slide your motherboard into the case and screw it down. Pop in your storage drive, SSD or HDD, your choice. Now plug in the power supply, connect all the cables and make sure everything's snug. If you've got a graphics card, slot it in and screw it tight. Double check all connections before powering on. Hit that power button if it boots, you did it. Now load up your operating system and enjoy your custom-built PC. Like, follow, and drop your questions below.